CODDY Camp is a place where children not only learn programming skills, but also acquire essential communication skills with each other. My name is Carp Artemi, I'm at CODDY Camp, and it's a lot of fun here.
As a teacher with only 3 hours allotted for classes, I can't say that's enough for me, so I fully immerse myself in camp life.
I met my friend Kirill here. We're working on our own project together, and one of these projects is a hacker simulator. You have to enter the same number, it's in binary code, and you'll get some interesting information.
I decided to dive into games and made a game where the character is controlled by text commands. My game consists of more than 1,150 lines of code. That's a lot. There were a lot of problems with the game because at first I made it in text form, then as a bot for a social network. And only then was I finally able to convert it into a proper version with graphics and windows.
I really want them to succeed in life, and I hope that everything they have gained and experienced at this camp will truly help them in the future as they move forward.
By giving a piece of our heart, we receive so much more in return. Bright, shining eyes and wide smiles are what keep us moving forward and inspire us to achieve new feats.